Number 10, personalized ruler. This ruler turned out so cute. I used clear sticker paper with white toner and added these little rainbow designs along with a personalized name. It is such a fun and simple way to make basic supplies feel extra special. It's great for kids, teachers, and it's also an inexpensive item to personalize and sell on Etsy. Number 9, mini chalkboard sign. This little chalkboard sign is perfect for a classroom or a teacher's desk. What's so cool about having the iColor white toner printer is you can still print images like these on clear sticker paper. The welcome back to school label really pops against the black background. It's small, but it makes such a cute impact. Number 8, composition notebook. I love how this turned out. I used the white vinyl sticker paper to create a fun label for the front. This one says Mrs. Smith with a cute apple and a pencil. The vinyl gives it a solid, bold background, so it stands out on the notebook perfectly. You can totally make these for your kids too. Add their name and class subject like math, science, or reading to help keep their notebooks organized. Number 7, large teacher clipboard. This is the larger teacher clipboard I customized using iColor's white vinyl sticker paper. The design is super colorful and playful with the name, school icon, and fun little details like the daisies and the pencils. The white vinyl really makes everything pop, especially against the bold stripes of the clipboard itself. It's practical, cute, and definitely adds some personality to every classroom task. You could also make one of these as part of a teacher gift bundle. It's something that they'll actually use. Number 6, pencil pouch. This holographic pencil pouch already had great color, so I used clear sticker paper with white toner to add the name Sophia and a rainbow. You can still see all the pretty shine underneath. This combo works so well on clear and glossy surfaces. Number 5, water bottle. I use the same name and rainbow design to create a matching water bottle. It ties in perfectly with a pencil pouch and would be adorable as a back to school gift set for kids or teachers. So if you're still hanging out with me, go ahead, hit the like button, and also make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any more videos. Number 4, spiral notebook. This one's a bright green spiral notebook that I personalized with white vinyl sticker paper. I used the same fun design style with a name label and a little school icons. It turned a plain notebook into something totally custom. Number 3, mini teacher clipboard. I personalized this clipboard using clear sticker paper with white toner, and I love how it came together. I actually printed the notebook style lines directly on the sticker paper along with the welcome back to school design, so it looks like it's part of the clipboard. The white toner makes the colors bright and crisp, even on the clear background. It's a simple way to transform something plain into a cute and thoughtful piece for any teacher. Number 2, desk supply caddy. I added a personalized label to this little blue organizer that says Mrs. Smith's Desk Essentials. It's perfect for storing glue sticks, scissors, highlighters, you name it. It would also work great at home as a homework helper bin for kids. Just label it homework station or something like that. Number 1, teacher survival kit organizer. And finally, this one is my favorite out of the whole bunch. This multi-drawer organizer was in the $5 section, but honestly, so worth it. I've seen similar organizers going for $25 or more on Amazon. I turned it into a full-on teacher's survival kit, which would make the cutest gift or even just something practical to have in the classroom. I used white vinyl sticker paper to create a fun and colorful label for the front, and then filled the inside with all kinds of essentials a teacher might need: binder clips, paper clips, post-it notes, Sharpies, highlighters. Could even pop in a mini hand sanitizer or throw in a little gift card. I've also seen these filled with things like chocolate, Advil, mints, or just in case goodies. You could totally customize it to fit the teacher's vibe. And this isn't just great for teachers. If you sell on Etsy, something like this is an amazing product idea. You could create themed kits, offer personalization options, and really stand out with something functional and cute. It also works perfectly as a homework station organizer for kids at home. Just add a fun label like homework helpers or study station and fill it with things like glue sticks, pencils, crayons, mini rulers, scissors, whatever they might need to get their work done without having to search the whole house. This is such a versatile find, and the fact that you can personalize it with iColor's printer just takes it to the next level. Definitely my favorite from the entire haul. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I gave you some ideas for using your iColor printer in a crafty and creative way. Personalizing these kinds of things is such an easy way to make useful, thoughtful gifts, or even turn a quick profit if you're selling them. So let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, and if you spotted anything lately that you want me to try next. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more craft and do-it-yourself videos just like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya in the next one.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.